Hi, it's Auntie Tala here. It's funny enough you called me. I'm out in my backyard doing some gardening. Yeah, well, I've got some taro, got some bananas, some pineapple, got some breadfruit. And my neighbor said, why don't I leave some space to grow some vegetables? But then I thought, why plant something I'm not going to eat? Anyway, this is what I do for my pastime when I'm not traveling the international circuit as a supermodel. And today while I was gardening, I couldn't help but think about relationships. And I came out with 4 main points about, or tips about relationships. The first one, in any relationship, it's important that you actually have someone else as part of your relationship. You can't be a relationship by yourself. You know, it's important you have someone that can love you back the way that you love them. Not someone that you love them and then they love someone else's back.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
No, that's not a relationship. The second one also is very important. Be spontaneous. Do things out of the blue. You know, like maybe you're just about to sleep, then you say to your husband, bah! Like that. You just be spontaneous. Or they just walk out of the car and then you punch him. Just love hurts, and that's the way they love it. They love these sort of out of the blue things. The third thing also is, it's just like social media and the computers and things. Be careful of those things because they can break up a relationship. It can, honest. Because you might look at someone and think, wow, oh, she's really good looking. And then when you meet them in real life, he's really good looking. So, you know, those things, you don't want to get in that type of triangle or whatever shape that can be. And the fourth is the most important thing in any relationship is trust. Capital T, trust. T, trust. What I mean is that if your boy wants to go out to the nightclub with your friends or go out with the boys, let him go. Let him go for at least half an hour, and then you follow him and take some photos and make sure he's doing those things. You see, there's a real trust. Someone who gives you a head start before you follow from behind. So those are the main pointers. Make sure there's someone that you love, that will love you back, not someone else's back. Be spontaneous, you know, kick him in the face now and then, just to give him a shock and see he knows you're there. Thirdly, social media, you know, keep off those things because it can really confuse your mind. And fourth, trust. 30-minute trust. That's what I believe in. And if you follow these 4 things, any relationship will be successful like mine. Now I'm in my 5th marriage and I say it's perfect. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.